Cozy Gloom claims to be selling the ultimate retro gaming console through cozygloom.shop, boasting over 114,000 games from 200 classic consoles, all preloaded into a single, compact device. But once you look beyond the flashy promises, things start to get murky. While the idea sounds like a retro gamer's dream, the site leaves out key technical details like hardware specifications, processing power, or even what kind of emulator software it's using, which immediately raises concerns. A deeper look reveals almost no transparency from the company. There's no clear about page, no verifiable contact info, and several indicators point to potential dropshipping methods possibly linked to known platforms like Retrodisc. When comparing real user reviews from Reddit, Trustpilot, and even TikTok against the overly polished testimonials on their website, the contrast is hard to ignore. Users are divided, with some reporting faulty products or long shipping delays. On top of that, the legal and technical implications of running so many emulated games in one commercial product are questionable at best, and Cozy Gloom offers no clarification on licensing or support. It's not necessarily an outright scam, but it's far from the transparent and reliable gaming solution it's marketed to be.